Hello, hi, namaste everyone. I hope you all are doing good. और आज हम जा रहे हैं हरिहरेश्वर. We started our journey from Pune early morning and decided to had the breakfast on the way and selected Quick Bites Pure Veg restaurant. And here we had the breakfast with a jaw-dropping view of the Mulshi Lake. This is the place where you can also have staycation, as it is also having a resort. Just imagine the view from the rooms and resorts in the rainy season. It would be just wow. Let's roam around the resort. This place was at the lower level. On the upper deck, they have planned the restaurant. This was the exact view that we had while having the breakfast. और अब हमने ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया है तो हम निकले हैं आगे की जर्नी कंप्लीट करने के लिए. और हम पहुंच चुके हैं हरिहरेश्वर. यह महाराष्ट्र राज्य के रायगढ़ जिले में स्थित है. इसका नाम भगवान हरिहरेश्वर के नाम पर पड़ा है, जो एक तीर्थ स्थल भी है. जिस कारण इसे दक्षिण काशी भी कहा जाता है. Besides a major pilgrimage center, Harihareshwar is also popular for beach resorts, with two beaches, one on the north and another on the south of the temple. Harihareshwar temple complex has two adjacent temples. Before entering the main temple, हम जाते हैं काल भैरव मंदिर और फिर आता है सेकेंड मंदिर, दैट इज हरिहरेश्वर मंदिर, जिसमें शिवलिंग स्थित है. हरिहरेश्वर is an evergreen place and one may visit it in any of the season. It is placed in the heart of the nature, bounded with Sahyadri hills. There are plenty of options for resorts for staying. As we visited on weekend, we pre-booked Tranquil Beach Resort as our stay for a day. After reaching the resort, we had the lunch. They have both the options, veg and the seafood. The best thing of the resort was you just step out of the resort and you are on the beach. The names of different rooms or suites were named after the musical instruments and the notes. This was the entrance foyer or the reception of this very resort. They also have the facility of shower area, as after enjoying the beach, you can come, take the shower and then go to your room. यहाँ पर बंधारा दैट इज प्रोमेनाड का भी काम स्टार्ट हो चुका है। From the restaurant's open space, you can enjoy the view of the beach. And they also have the restaurant in the open space. They have the kids play area as well in the same place so that kids can enjoy and you can sit or the parents can sit there and had food or just have the chit chat. और अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे स्वीट की तरफ. Let's take the tour of the suite. हमारे रूम का टूर कर लेते हैं. Let's begin the tour. So this is the walkway towards the room. This is the seating. And after this, we come to the room that is Sitar. So let's go inside and check what's there. This is the entrance door. And here we have they have detailed the space very much. So here we have a seating space along with the shoe rack. If you want to change the shoes, you can sit and tie the lace. Let's see the inside. So here we have a small dining table or a coffee table. Then you have a beautiful bedroom, size bedroom there, and this is for 2 people. If you are 3 number of people, then one additional thing is also there. So this is the additional bed, and they will provide the mattress accordingly. Then let's see the other space, that is balcony. The detailing of this is also nice. So this is the balcony. Here we have the rack for the clothes. We have 2 chairs to sit and relax and enjoy the tea, coffee or kokum sherbet. And one more thing is there, the acupressure walking thing. Let's go inside and explore the room. So in addition to the bed, there is a table which is having the cold and hot drinks and the menu as well. And they have also provided a small fridge over here in which you can store the drinks, water and everything. Let's see the bathroom. So here they have provided the storage space for your luggage. This is the mirror. I just love the detailing of the latch over here. And this is the washroom. That's all for the room. Bye. और फिर हम निकले बीच की ओर टू एंजॉय द मेस्मराइजिंग सनसेट एंड समंदर की लहरें. Here you can enjoy some of the water sports activities along with stalls serving bhel, juices and coconut water, sitting next to the seashore. यहाँ पर फिर कुछ टाइम स्पेंड किया। हमारे रिजॉर्ट से टेम्पल भी दिख रहा था, सो वी हेडेड टुवर्ड्स दैट एंड दिस वाज द एरिया which is adjacent to the temple precinct. और हो चुकी है दूसरे दिन की सुबह। एज पर अवर रिक्वेस्ट वी हैड अ कॉल फ्रॉम द रिसेप्शन डेस्क कि सुबह 6 बजे का ये कॉल था और उन्होंने हमें बोला कि 3 नए टर्टल्स ने जन्म लिया है और उन्हें अब उनके घर दैट इज समंदर में भेजा जाएगा।
हे आता मार्चमध्ये मार्च मला 15-20च्या मध्ये 16 तारखेचे 16 मार्च हां एका महिना जास्त होता तर त्याची डेट परफेक्ट नाही माहिती पण मला काय हे जानेवारी फेब्रुवारी मार्चमधलीच आहे मार्च 12 तारीख किंवा 15-16 असेल आतापर्यंत आम्ही भरपूर सोडली 700-800 किलो सोडली
नाही म्हणजे एका दिवसात आता
ही आता किती कारण तो जीव एवढा ह्याच्यातून आलेला असतो ना पण ती वाळू टाकू नये आणि जर बाहेर आली तर ती आतमध्ये सावलीत राहायला पाहिजे।
यहाँ पर टर्टल के एग्स को बाकी एनिमल्स से बचा के रखने के लिए अर्ली मॉर्निंग जब उन्हें पता चलता है कि कुछ एग्स होंगे तो उन्हें ढूंढा जाता है और टर्टल्स बॉर्न होने तक के प्रिजर्व करके रखा जाता है और जन्म लेते ही पानी की ओर भेज दिया जाता है। इस वक्त इन छोटे टर्टल्स की आंखें तक नहीं खुली थी बिकॉज दे वर जस्ट 3 to 4 hours old। था हरिहरेश्वर का टूर एंड वी सेड बाय बाय टू द प्लेस एंड लेफ्ट। गर्मियों में कोकण गए और आम ही नहीं खाया, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता। सो ऑन द वे बैक टू द पुणे वी हैड मैंगोज। और आप पहाड़ों में गए और आपने मैगी नहीं खाई, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता। सो वी ऑल्सो एन्जॉयड मैगी इन द प्लस वैली। इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो, गिव इट अ लाइक, Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more such content. Thank you.